Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. Thank you so much for the new subscribers. I'm so excited. In fact, I'm just leaving right away. I want to lock my door. So I hope I'll be having a good day today. I'm heading to school. So guys, I appreciate so much for the support you're giving me, watching my videos, and also for the new subscriptions. I'm so excited. So I'm just leaving for school. I hope that my day will be fine. So I have to lock this door also. I don't know where I've kept my keys. So this is our small gate. So let me just lock this gate. So guys, I want just to lock this gate. This is the outer gate. Ayamaro is a very nice guy. He has done so much in this village. And I was saying that immediately he came. In fact, we've been in darkness for a very long time. Sasa? So we've been in darkness for a very long time. So when he came, in fact, all the villagers were excited. So what am I saying? This guy is so good. And then he has got a heart that loves everybody, and also is a giver. So guys, I'm heading to school. At times I walk, especially when I'm not late like now. But when I'm late, I always take a motorbike, even though it is a walking distance. My day will be fine. It is a chilly morning. Oh, it's like the weather seems to be cool. I don't know if it is going to rain this early, but let's hope for the best. If it's rain, we thank God for the rain. So guys, I normally, when I wake up in the morning, I have to do some house chores. I wake up at 5. I have a son. I prepare him, and then I release him, go to school. And then after that, I have to clean my house. Is when I leave. You know, for us women, you can multitask. You can be employed, and also when you go home, you do your things. Okay, there's something that I realized, that when you can do many things maybe at a go, it comes easier maybe to manage yourself, and also it is economical, because when you can do this work by yourself, so long as you're organized, you can do it. But when you're disorganized, then it becomes so hard for you. So guys, it is good to train yourself to do your things by yourself, so that everything can be easy for you. And then maybe when you don't have that money, it is possible for you to do it. You can go to the garden, do it. When it comes to maybe washing the clothes, you can do it. When it comes to office work, you're there. And then when you start doing that, you get used to it. And then you find yourself just doing everything by yourself. So me, I'm used to, I do my house chores, and then after that, I go to school, teach the pupils, and then in the evening I come back. If at all I have something to do, maybe in the garden, I do it. If I have maybe, okay, if I have anything to do, I do it. Because I believe that whatever your hands finds to do, you're supposed to do it with a lot of strength, and do it. Whatever your hands finds to do it. So I'm thankful. It is a bright morning that God has given us. So let me just see how the day is going to carry me through, or what I'm going to do during that day. I'm going to attend to the pupils. You know, teaching is a noble profession. So at times we just have to in Kiswahili we say that kujituma. You have to send yourself, for lack of a better word. You have to do it, and then when you do it, and maybe the pupils understand what you're teaching them, and maybe pass exams, be good people in the community, then you feel that satisfaction in your heart, because at least you've accomplished something. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell, give your comments. There's a sign for thumbs up that shows that you like the video, like my videos, and God will bless you. So let us meet when I reach at school. Maybe I'll just show you later on some of the activities that I do at school. I know maybe because of some legal rights, some of the rights of the children, you're not supposed to maybe take a video with them. I can just show you guys how my normal working day looks like, and maybe just show you the school of YouTubers. I'm very proud of them. As I always say, that almost all of them in Nyabohansi, almost all of them, the one that maybe got me, the one that I got me in that school, actually passed through my hands, and I thank God for that. Okay guys, now this is my working table, my books. So I want to go to grade 2.
Itakula kwako. Wewe unataka kwanza hata ajui. Kwanza kwanza.